First, we do this multiplication. 1 over 20 times 20 gives us just 1. So 3 divided by 1, which equals just 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay, so first we do 3 divided by 1 over 20. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 3 times 20, and here times 20. Okay, 3 times 20 gives us 60. So 60 times 20, which gives us 1200. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1200.